everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick. And you know what they say, you know you're a crocheter if you've made it through 2 seasons of Bridgerton and still have no idea what Eloise looks like. So in this 2-week series, I'm going to show you my 14 favorite stitches to do while binge watching your favorite TV show or your favorite Netflix series or Amazon Prime or HBO or Stars or Hulu. The list goes on and on. So grab your hook, grab your yarn, grab your remote, and probably a drink, and let's dive right in. Okay, so for day 1, I have chosen everybody's favorite, the granny square, right? So behind me I have all of my swatches and projects. So day 1 is the granny square. I love the granny square. This is actually a granny square that my grandmother started when I was a kid, and I've added on to since. So you can make lots of big squares and piece them together. You can make lots of little squares and piece them together, or you can just make one big square and just keep going around and around and around and around until it's as big as you want. So, yep, day 1, the granny square. All right, if you've never made a granny square and you want to learn how to do it, click the link in the description box below and it's going to take you right to my how-to video, my granny square tutorial. All right, everybody, I'll see you tomorrow with another great idea. Bye-bye.